Alright, hello everyone. As you can see, the door of the Camry got a little messed up. Um, it's got some dents and actually cut in through the metal. But yeah, I don't know. I was told by the repair shop between $800 and $1,500. So I'm like, just try and bondo it and not pull the dents or nothing. So this is gonna be my first attempt at something like this. So yeah, let's have some fun doing this. And like I said, I'm not gonna try and pull the dents or anything. Um, I don't really think that's necessary. The car's older anyway, and if I go to resell it or something, I don't really think that's gonna change the value a whole lot. I just basically don't want it to be rusting all over the place. And the guy at the body shop said it might rust on the inside since it cut through the door, but I'm gonna take a chance. I'm just gonna try and keep water from getting in there, and probably rust out from the inside eventually. But anyway, so first thing is first, I'm gonna just sand that whole area, get all the rust out of there, and sand it all down in the area around it, kind of. Because that's what the Bondo stuff said. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Just got a couple things. I got a sanding block. I got some fine and coarse sandpaper there for wood and metal. So I'm probably gonna use a sanding block for a little bit there, and then use the sandpaper to get into the hollows and stuff. And yeah, just try and get all the rust away and a decent area for the primer and stuff. So get that all sanded and where it's loose and stuff. And then yeah, then we'll be back. So I'm just basically gonna sand the whole area, and well, I'll show you what it looks like when we get back. Okay, bye.